JavaScript is a powerful tool, but it can be a double-edged sword. Misuse can lead to vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, SS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF, which can compromise your website's security. XSS allows attackers to inject malicious scripts into web pages viewed by others. CSRF tricks users into performing actions they didn't intend. Both can have devastating effects if not properly managed. Sanitizing user inputs is crucial to prevent XSS attacks. By ensuring only safe data is processed, you can protect your site from malicious scripts. Implementing a content security policy, CSP, helps control which resources the browser can load. This adds an extra layer of security against potential threats. Server-side validation is essential for enhancing security. It ensures that data is checked before processing, reducing the risk of malicious input. Secure cookies and HTTPS are vital for data protection. They encrypt data, making it harder for attackers to intercept sensitive information. Regular security audits and vulnerability assessments are key. They help identify potential weaknesses before they can be exploited. Stay informed